Hi Marissa. I thought I would just go ahead and make a movie to help you with hopefully figure out what's wrong with your picture. What I did first was, in order to figure out what the problem is, it may not be with the form, it may be with the table that holds the pictures. So we're going to back up and actually look at the tables where you were supposed to put the pictures in. So if you look, I'm in the business analyst table, and I'm actually in the view where I'm seeing the information. So here's Cordelia Carey. So I'm going to move across to the field that has the picture. And when you look at this, you should have where it says bitmap image. And in order to get that, you would have had to right click, insert object, and then create from file, and browse until you find that picture, which, okay, I found them. So I navigated to where I have so many different things, I forgot where I put them. So I'm going to pick picked one, double click. I don't want it to link, so in this box here I have picked one.bitmap. I'm going to say OK, and then it is in here. Okay, so you would do that for every one of those. Now, let's say, okay, Mrs. Mandelish, I did do that. They are showing. So we know, and that's okay, we know that the underlying data is there. Perhaps that helped you fix it, and perhaps it didn't. So we're going to move on. So I'm going to close that up, and I'm going to go and find my form, which is Business Analyst Master. And I'm going to go into Design View, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I want to pick Add Existing from the ribbon, and then from here I'm going to find the actual, and we're going to move it over and drop it. And then of course I'm going to resize it. I'm going to drag this one up here, and then I'm going to preview it, and it should be there. Okay, so let's go back to design. Let me do it one more time. We're going to add existing fields. You're going to find the picture. You're going to come over and drag it, and size it and do all your other things. And so, okay, you're like, okay, that's exactly what I did, and it's still not showing. The last thing that I think you could try is, does this picture exist anywhere, outside of Access? So I'm going to go ahead and get out of Access and close all my windows here, and actually just go and try and find. So I navigated to where my files are, and I'm looking actually at the file. It's a bitmap. If I double click on them, it should bring it up. Okay, so now we've validated that it really is a picture. There's nothing wrong or corrupted with your picture. We validated that the picture was put into the record correctly, into the, in the record, in the tables, and that it was pulled onto the form correctly. So try those three things, and then let me know if you're still having problems. Okay, and if you're still having problems, just at that point, go ahead and attach the database to an email inside Angel and send it to me, and I'll take a look at it. All right, good luck. Thanks.